God, I love Starbucks. But anyways, who wants an airdrop? So what's up, peeps? This is Jeff, aka Nomad Fury, and we're back once again for another weekly news crypto video. And by the way, I would like to fully disclose that this video is sponsored by no other than newscrypto.io, where it is the best place for money-making decisions in the crypto world. So it is an all-in-one crypto ecosystem covering everything from education to industry-leading proprietary trading indicators and tools. So all you have to do is to simply go to their official website at newscrypto.io and explore their one-of-a-kind platform for both crypto traders and enthusiasts around the world. And not only that, they also have a non-custodial mobile wallet and their next-generation mobile app, which can be downloaded for both Android and iOS users. So I did mention to you guys about an airdrop, right? And I know that you like airdrops. So I'm not gonna take this long, so let's go. Okay guys, so as what you have seen right here, newscrypto is having the biggest airdrop ever. So you can see the allocation right here guys, 11,700,000 NWC tokens, and there will only be 10,000 whitelist spots for this airdrop, and it's going to be active until May 10th of 2022. So if you want to join guys, so just click join now. And it needs you to log into your newscrypto account to be able to access the dashboard. So you can see right here guys about some other details regarding the newscrypto airdrop. So as what I've said, 11,700,000 NWCs will be allocated for the airdrop. And of course, there will be a limit of 10,000 total eligible recipients. So there will be 5 unlocking events for this year with extra special prizes. So the airdrop snapshot date will be on May 10th of 2022. So if you want to access the airdrop, so you could do so right here guys. All you have to do is to enter your platform username and of course your Telegram username. So let's say I am going to enter mine and then I click apply. So it says right here successfully applied. I am going to read this right here. Each segment is evaluated by the number of NWCs. By meeting the criteria of each segment, the participant gets NWC tokens. You are eligible for airdrop if you complete at least one of the following assignments. So to become a community member guys, you need to join their official Telegram channel. So once you do that, you are eligible to be airdrop 10 NWC. Wow. And of course, as an active user, you must be online on the newscrypto platform in the last 7 days. So if you're going to do that, you will be airdrop 20 NWCs. Wow. And here's an interesting task. If you are holding some NWCs right now, at least 30 NWCs right here on the newscrypto platform, you are eligible to be airdrop 40 NWC. And of course, another interesting one. So if you have subscribed to one of those pro tier memberships, you will be eligible for a 300 NWC airdrop. And finally guys, if you are staking some NWC tokens on the newscrypto platform, you are eligible to receive an airdrop of 800 NWC. Yahoo! So I'm going to read it right here below. If the participant is present in multiple segments at the same time, the NWC token values are summed. The maximum possible sum per airdrop participant is 1,170 NWC if he meets the conditions of all 5 participant segments, which is the community member, the active user, the NWC holder, the pro tier member, and the NWC staker. So these are the conditions if you want to be airdrop a maximum of 1,100 NWC tokens. So this is really exciting, not just for the newcomers out there, but also for the existing and amazing newscrypto community around the world. So once again, peeps, I'm inviting you to join the biggest newscrypto airdrop. And it's going to end on May 10th of 2022. And this is going to be very exciting, and I'm really looking forward for you guys to be on board and participate in newscrypto's biggest airdrop ever. So I have provided all of the source links right here in my YouTube description. So if you think that this video is so helpful, kindly share this to your crypto and non-crypto friends out there, especially those who loves to participate in airdrops. So guys, I have a question for you. What do you honestly think about the newscrypto's biggest airdrop event ever? So let me know right here in the comment section. Did you enjoyed watching this video? If yes, I would like to thank you for this. And if you want to stay updated regarding my latest videos, interviews, and giveaways, just hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. And also you could follow me on my official social media channels. Alright, I guess I'll see you guys on my next video.